I will solve one typical example. Let I is equal to integration of under root of tan x dx. Let root of tan x is equal to t. Therefore, it is by squaring tan x is equal to t square. Differentiating with respect to t, we get derivative of tan x is sec square x dx is equal to derivative of t square is 2t dt. Therefore, dx is equal to 2t dt upon sec square x is equal to sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So this is equal to 2t dt upon tan x is equal to t square. So it is become 1 plus t raised to 4. Therefore, I is become here root of tan x is equal to t and dx is replaced by 2t upon 1 plus t raised to 4 dt. So this is equal to 2 times t square upon 1 plus t raised to 4 dt. So this is equal to 2t. So we take it as t square plus 1 plus t square minus 1. Add 1 and subtract 1. This is a very important step. Divided by t raised to 4 plus 1 dt. It is 2 times t square. So t square plus t square 2t. 1 minus 1 get cancelled. And so this is very important step. Here. Now we divide t raised to 4 plus 1 to each term. So it is t square plus 1 upon t raised to 4 plus 1 dt, separating integration of t square minus 1 upon t raised to 4 plus 1 dt. So this is equal to I1 plus I2 same. This is equation number 1. So this is equal to I. Now I1 is equal to integration of t square plus 1 upon t square t raised to 4 plus 1. We dividing by t square. It is 1 plus 1 upon t square upon dividing by t square. It is t square plus 1 upon t square dt. Now we know that the derivative of t minus 1 upon t, if you take the derivative of this is, so d by dt, it is become 1 and here plus 1 upon t square. So it is in the numerator. So we put t minus 1 upon t is equal to theta. Now for that we factorize this first. We complete the square of this. It is equal to integration 1 plus 1 upon t square. It is t minus 1 upon t square plus 2, because t square plus 1 upon t square minus 2 times t upon 1 upon t, it is become minus 2 plus 2. So we get t square plus 1 upon t square. So now we put t minus 1 upon t is equal to theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, we get 1 minus derivative of this is plus 1 upon t square dt is equal to d theta. So this is equal to d theta upon theta square plus 2 So it is integration theta d theta upon theta square plus root 2 square, and its integration is 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of theta upon root 2 plus c, theta upon root 2 plus c. So this is equal to 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of, we take it is c1, tan inverse of theta is equal to, we have taken theta is equal to t minus 1 upon t divided by root 2 plus c, c1 is equal to 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of, multiplying t, it is t square minus 1 upon root 2 into t plus c1 is equal to 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of, t is equal to under root of tan x, t is equal to under root of tan x, t square is tan x minus 1 upon root 2, t is equal to tan x, so it is under root plus c1. This is equal to I1. Now I2 is equal to, I2 is equal to integration of t square minus 1 upon t square plus 1, integration of t square minus 1 upon t raised to 4 plus 1 dt. It is equal to, we divide by t square, so it is 1 minus 1 upon t square upon t square plus 1 upon t square dt. Integration of 1 minus 1 upon t square upon, now I adjust the term so that it is become a complete square, 1 plus 1 upon t, t plus 1 upon t bracket square minus 2 dt. This is equal to I2. Now put t plus 1 upon t is equal to theta, differentiating with respect to theta, it is 1 plus minus 1 upon t square dt is equal to d theta, and therefore this is equal to 1 minus 1 upon t square dt is equal to d theta upon t plus 1 upon t bracket square is theta square minus 2. So this is equal to d theta upon theta square minus root 2 square. Now the integration of this is 1 upon 2 times under root 2 log of theta minus root 2 upon theta plus root 2 plus some constant, we call it is c2. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 root 2 log of theta is equal to t plus 1 upon t, t plus 1 upon t minus root 2 upon t plus 1 upon t plus root 2 plus c2 is equal to 1 upon 2 root 2 log of multiplying t, so it is t square plus 1 minus root 2 into t upon t square plus 1 plus root 2 into t plus c2 is equal to 1 upon 2 root 2 log bracket t square is equal to tan square tan x, and t is equal to root of tan x. So it is tan x plus 1 minus root 2 into tan x upon tan x plus 1 plus root 2 tan x plus c2, and therefore I is equal to I1 plus I2. So I1 is equal to I1 is equal to 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of tan x minus 1 upon root of 2 tan x plus I2 is equal to 1 upon 2 root 2, this is I2, log of tan x plus 1 minus under root of 2 tan x upon tan x plus 1 plus root 2 tan x plus c, where c is equal to c1 plus c2. So this is the value of I. This is the value of the integration of tan under root of x dx. So thanking you for watching my video.